Alright, on tonight's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our generative AI course. Let's have a look at what we went over tonight. Now, yesterday I did inform you that we're going to be going over the actual practicality of the open APIs and the open API keys. We didn't get to the keys just yet, but we did get to the open AI website. But first, let me show you some note taking that we did. I'm not going to read anything because we actually went to the site and set our stuff up. So I'm just going to pan over for you. If you want to take the time and read, it's just some information about the history, topics we're going to touch on, some milestones and things of that nature. So yeah, that's all of that there. Little light note taking. Let me actually go to the website where we set everything up. We're just getting started, so you can see here. That's me right here in the corner. Set everything up for you. And this is our Open API documentation. This is the docs. This is the dashboard here. When we click over in the dashboard, you can see this is the playground. This is where we're going to create things, I guess, and go over some mock scenarios and learn how to actually run code and implement the API into our own systems and things like that. Then we have our API preference or references here. This is where we're going to find the not the API keys, but the installs that we're going to need for the API here. The pip install OpenAI. As you can see, that's that there. I already have it installed. Let me go and show you where we have that at. That's going to be here. I already installed it. This is why I started it at. You can see pip install OpenAI collecting. So everything starts downloading. We downloading everything. Everything came through good. We have all of that here. As you can see, everything came through. And I actually got to notice that we had an update to our pip. It was upgraded from 24.0 to 24.1. So we went ahead and updated that. As you can see, I did that and got that upgraded. So yeah, everything's set up now. We can move forward. We're gonna start that tomorrow because we did use the spend the night just taking notes at first before we actually got to the actual API website where we set everything up. Let me go back and show you that again. That's this here. So yeah, so we're officially in. Everything's officially set up and we're ready to move forward. So overview, introduction, quick start, models. There's a bunch of different models here we can use. You can see GPT-4, GPT-4 Turbo, things of that nature. Dolly, Whisper. We have tutorials. Yeah, there's a lot going on here. Okay, cool. And then we probably going to be working here for the most part in the beginning. Just the playground here. You can see we have assistance, completions, fine tuning, batches, storage, usage, API keys. I'm not going to click on that. I'm not sure if it's going to show my API keys or not, so I'm not going to click on that just of yet. But yeah, so everything is set up and is ready for us to move forward. So we're going to dive into that tomorrow. We know it's probably going to be more note taking, but it should be just strictly playing around in the environment and getting things going. But of course, I will keep you guys posted every step of the way. For now, this is the Python Poppy. You guys stay Gucci.